Custom welding rolls come in a few different styles. It comes in a stock roll, which would be a roll which is 5 or 6 feet in height, and then it pulls out to around 100, 150 feet depending on the style that you're purchasing. These are used along welding cages. You would zip tie these to the top or maybe the bottom. This protects bystanders from the welding that's taking place from robotics. It is also used as a guard against sparks flying through the cage itself. So when we have customers request a roll which is taller than 5 or 6 feet, we can actually produce that, but it has to be made in a certain way. The way we do that is we pull this roll out and then we heat weld it to another roll. And you can kind of see the faint line here where one roll was heat welded to another roll to give you an overall finished height of something greater than 5 or 6 feet. So this is a industry standard way for producing welding curtains, but there is a common request that these show up as rolled material. So in other words, we make them larger and then we send the roll back like this as a roll. That's not, however, possible because it's like saran wrap in a sense where you pull it out and once you modify it, you can't put it back on a roll. So it comes in roll form like this from our extruder, and we can't roll it back up like that to ship it to our customers. So it's going to arrive like this, which would be folded. And we still have the ability to put the grommets wherever you want them. Just note that it won't show up rolled. So from our website, you can actually pick these from the welding curtain rolls page. You can go through and you can choose the material. 14 mil is an industry standard, 16 mil clear. This actually isn't for welding, for blocking UV light. It's only going to block sparks. And the same is true for the 40 mil clear. And then we also have canvas materials. These are used for heavy welding and close proximity welding. And then we have opaque materials, which is made from the same material as the 14, but it's non-see-through. So, nobody would see anything taking place on the opposite side. So from this page, you can actually build the welding roll you're looking for. And as you make your selections, it'll let you choose the different roll heights, which will either be 5 or 6 feet. It's also worth noting that the welding curtains cannot be used for a replacement for a welding helmet. So as you look at welding through a welding curtain, you realize that someone's welding and then you look away. It's not going to block the amount of UV light that a welding helmet will. It's just there to protect people from sparks and also the quick glance where you realize the welding is taking place. So if you would like a quote on any of these welding rolls or the custom welding rolls, head on over to Acon Curtain and Divider and contact one of our sales associates and we'll work on a quote for you.